that thing on?
It's on.
Doug, you may or may not remember, but 3 years ago, give or take a little bit, I got some flex tape from the makers of Flex Seal for Secret Santa Christmas deal. So I am today going to use this for the first time to fix the Porsche. What could go wrong?
Somebody was putting down her convertible top today and heard a pop, 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 and it broke.
Oh no, it might be flex sealed together. Cut.
But we should not use the Porsche as a workbench.
All right.
Do you need my help?
Super sticky. It's super flex tapey. I 100% see how you can turn a screen door into a fishing boat now. All right.
Still using my Porsche as a workbench.
This would 100% take care of my unibrow.
Nope, nope, not today. Maybe the, okay.
Bam!
Now what?
It's like a racing stripe. Now it's good as new. Now we can run it for another 20 years.
Oh, I thought you put it on and peeled off the back. That's just how it looks now?
So FYI, if the Mercedes ever needs the soft top repaired, I'm your guy.